The next question is, an AC series circuit consisting of a resistance of 6 ohms and inductive reactance of 8 ohms is connected to a single phase 200 volt 50 hertz AC supply. The current in the circuit would be, okay, they have mentioned it is AC series circuit, okay. Series circuit, they have only one resistance and one inductive reactance, okay. So for any AC supply, so they have given one resistance and one inductance. That's what they have mentioned, only these two, okay. So this is a 200 volt AC single phase, they have mentioned like this, okay. So resistance value is 6 ohms and inductance value they have not given, L value they have not given, okay. Just see, inductive reactance they have mentioned, that means inductive reactance X, that will be equal to omega L value they have given as 8 ohms, okay. So 8 ohms they have given. Understood, right? Now what they are asking, to a single phase 230 volt supply they have connected, okay. So the current in the circuit would be, okay. So current they are asking directly, okay. So what is the current? You see, so complete current you have to calculate first, okay. So current means generally how you can calculate means, so total voltage divided by total impedance, okay. Generally voltage divided by resistance only, right? For the DC circuit, what is the Ohm's law? Current equal to voltage divided by resistance. For the AC, how we have to write down? We have to write down this one as impedance, okay. So first we will calculate for this one, what is the impedance? Z is equals to, okay. So whatever resistances are there, total resistances in the network, only one is there now, R plus JX it is, okay. So R plus JX, that is the complete impedance, okay. So let's take, what is R value? 6 plus J into, what is that? 8. Inductive reactance is 8, okay. So this is the complete impedance, but we have to give current magnitude they are asking. So current magnitude means, so this also magnitude we have to write down, okay. So if you write the magnitude of this one, under root 6 square plus 8 square tan inverse of, okay. So tan inverse of 8 by 6 at an angle of tan inverse of 8 by 6, okay. Reactive part divided by active part, okay. This is reactive part, J is there means that is reactive part, only 6 is there, only its real term is there, there is nothing but real part, okay. So anyway, imaginary part divided by real part will give the angle for us, okay. So phi is equals to tan inverse of reactive part divided by active part, otherwise you can write down like this, okay. So tan inverse of reactance divided by resistance, okay. So anyway, what they are asking, this is the magnitude under root 36 plus 64, 8 square means 64, 6 square means 36, 36 plus 64 is nothing but 100, so under root of 100, we want only this, okay. So under root of 100 is nothing but 10, okay. So magnitude of impedance I am writing, okay. Magnitude of impedance is nothing but 10 ohms completely. So current I we can give as, what is the voltage? Directly they have given as 200 volts here, okay. So 200 volts divided by 10 ohms, so directly we will get as 20 amperes, that is the answer, okay. That is the current, understanding, right? 20 amperes will be the current, but some students may consider confused like somehow, okay. I will tell you, so this is 200 volts, there is no problem, but how they will consider means, total impedance is nothing but 6 plus 8 if they consider like this, okay. 6 plus 8 if they consider like this, what is the impedance? Z equals to 14 ohms. Understood, right? Z equals to 14 ohms we will get. 200 divided by 14 ohms, you will get different answer. Understanding, right? 200 divided by 14 ohms, you will get different answer, you will not get here. Understood? Otherwise, if you consider 200 divided by 6, you will get different answer. 200 divided by 8, you will get different answer. Okay, so that's why, so whenever you are getting AC circuit, okay, directly we have to calculate the magnitude. No need to do all these circuit analysis also. Directly, okay, current we want voltage divided by impedance. What is impedance? Resistive impedance is nothing but 6 ohms. Inductive reactance is nothing but 8 ohms. So directly, V divided by 6 square plus 8 square is nothing but under root 100. So we will get 10. So I equal to, so 200 divided by 10. You will get as 20 amperes, okay. So directly within half minute we have to answer this question, okay. So that much fast you have to be, by reading the question only we have to get the answer, okay. When you will get like that, whenever you solve some of the previous year questions, you can able to get within like 30 seconds only, okay. So anyway, answer for this question is 20 amperes, okay. And the next question is, three elements R equal to 1 by 3 ohm, L equal to 1 by 4 Henry, C equal to 3 farads are connected in series across input voltage V of t equal to sin 2t. The phase angle difference between supply voltage and current is, okay. So directly this is series circuit, okay. So source they have given as V of t equal to 2 sin 2t, okay. Sin 2t it is, sin 2t it is, okay. So and they have mentioned all are connected in series, resistance, inductance and capacitance all are connected in series, okay. So this is R value of 1 by 3 ohm, L value of 1 by 4 Henry, so C value is nothing but 3 farads, okay. So from the source we can get one point, okay. So anyway you can understand in all are connected in series means in all you will go current will be same only, okay. So I of t it will be same only, okay. So let's consider V of t is they have given as sin 2t means generally how it is V of t equal to, so Vm sin omega t, this is the actual representation. So from this one what is the omega directly, so omega equal to 2, understood right, omega equal to 2 radians per second, units for omega is nothing but angular frequency is nothing but radians per second, okay. So what is the units for normal frequency, hertz, otherwise we can give as cycles per second, okay, cycles per second we can give, okay. So you can see one thing, so what is the angle difference between voltage and current means directly we can give as, so tan inverse of reactance of the network divided by resistance of the network. So this is the one, okay. So in this session only some other question we have seen already this formula, okay. So phi equal to tan inverse of reactance divided by resistance. Reactance means we have inductive reactance, we have capacitive reactance also, okay. So first we will calculate inductive reactance is nothing but omega L, okay. So omega L means what is omega L, so we can give as omega is 2 and L value is nothing but 1 by 4, okay. So 1 by 4, understood right. And similarly, so this that means we can simplify this one as 1 by 2 ohms it is, okay. So this is plus, okay, this is plus. Now capacitive reactance XC is equals to generally how we can give 1 by omega C, otherwise minus 1 by omega C we can give. Inductive reactance is positive, capacitive reactance is negative, okay. So that means so otherwise as the magnitude we can consider as the positive only, then while calculating the net reactance, okay, then we can do the negative, okay. So first we will calculate 1 by omega equal to 2 value 2, C is nothing but 3 farads, okay. So we can use 3, so that means 1 by 6 it is in terms of ohms only, okay. So now X net reactance of the network is nothing but XL minus XC, okay, XL minus XC. What is XL value, 1 by 2 and XC value is nothing but 1 by 6, okay. So XC value is nothing but 1 by 6. You can simplify this one, okay. So you will get, so denominator it is, okay. Let's write down here X net is equals to, so denominator 12 means 6 minus 2, okay. So 4 by 12 you will get, otherwise so 4 ones 4 3s, okay. So it is nothing but 1 by 3 you will get, okay. So this is X net, okay. So X net we will get as 1 by 3 ohms, okay. Already we have the resistance, okay. So R value is nothing but 1 by 3 ohms. Now directly in this formula we have to substitute, okay. So phi equal to tan inverse of reactance value X net is nothing but 1 by 3 divided by resistance is nothing but 1 by 3, okay. So 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3, so you will get as tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 1 means 45, okay. So tan 1 when it is tan 1 you will get for the 45 degree only, phi equal to 45 degree. So answer for this question is 45, okay. So option 2 is correct one, okay. See the simple questions these are all, okay. Same equation, okay. So whatever same formula they will be giving every year, okay. So this formula, otherwise RMS values like this, some fixed values, fixed questions will be there. These model of questions directly they will repeat every year, okay. The next question is the phase sequence available for a polyphase system are given as YB R YB, BY R BY, BRY BR, RBY RB, like this so many they have given, okay. Just see something, okay, how many phases are there from this question directly we have to see something, okay. So some students, by seeing all these things directly, they will think, okay, so this many are there, okay, how many phase sequence available in it? Maybe 9 will be there or 6 will be there, like that. Understanding, right? Okay, so it is not 9, it is not 6, okay. You see how many phases are there first, okay. Phases means if we have 10 phases, I will give the naming as A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. If I have 10 phases, okay. How many naming they have given? Y is there, B is there, R is there, again Y is there, B is there. Total how many are there? Only 3 phases are there, okay. So 3 phases are there, okay. First we know already 3 phases are there from this. Whatever you see, anything, okay. So YRB, 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 again YRB only. Sequence means repeating one, okay. Sequence means repeating one, okay. So you see what is a sequence means, first R phase will go, if it is a balanced one, after 120 degree, otherwise Y phase will go, after 120 degree, so B phase will go. What is a sequence means? So for this one, okay, whatever I have given, first R phase will go, after 120 degree Y phase, after 120 degree again B phase. This is the sequence. R, after that Y, after that B, okay. So you should not count in reverse, okay. How we have to check means, you have to rotate all the vectors in anti-clockwise direction only every time, okay. Only in anti-clockwise direction. That is also one of the previous year bit, okay. All the vectors rotates in anti-clockwise direction only, okay. So put your hand here, rotate these vectors. First, which vector is going? R vector. If you rotate in anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise means against the clock rotation, okay. So next Y, next B. So what is the sequence? RYB sequence. Next again what will come? If B comes, next what will come? R comes. Next what will come? Y comes. Next what will come? Again, okay, so after Y, B comes. Again R, again Y, again B, again R, again Y, again B. How many you want, you can write down like that. Understanding, right? Now you see already this is one phase sequence, okay. So after R, definitely Y is coming in this sequence. Understanding, right? This sequence name is nothing but RYB phase sequence, okay. RYB. So whatever you do, you can call this one as YBR. You can take in between, okay. So this one you take YBR, you can take. Otherwise BRY, you can call this one also, okay. So YBR, RYB, otherwise BRY. It is the same thing only. Understanding, right? You can write down instead of like this, you can call as RYBR. You can write down like this. RYBR, RYBR we can write down. Otherwise I will write down from the Y. YBRY I can write down. Otherwise I will write down from the B. BRY. Again what you will get? B. I can write down like this also. There is no problem. Understanding, right? Why to write as 4 things only? I will write down with 5, okay. So I will write down as RYBRY, RYBR, after that Y only, okay. So next I will write down YBR, YBR, okay. So next what you will get? YBR, YR, okay. So again YB, okay. So after Y, B you will get, okay. So again otherwise you can write down as BRY, okay. So BRY, BR. We can write down anything, we can write down, okay. There is no problem. We can represent as the 3. This is enough. If they want to represent as the 4 or 5, there is no problem. 5. If they want to represent as the 6, they can represent. What is the next one? I can write down as RYB, RYB. We can write down YBR, YBR. We can write down BRY, BRY. There is no problem. See, one phase sequence only we can represent all these things, okay. Now here we can observe some things, okay. You see, this is RYB. See something, okay. So RYB, okay. So this is, okay, RBY. This is different, okay. So whatever similar, I will mention like this line. Whatever similar, I will mention like this. Another ones, okay. RYB phase sequence, I will mention. RBY phase sequence, I will mention, okay. So this is RYB, RYB. This is RBY, okay, RBY. This is RYB, okay. So this is RBY. From the R, if you check, you will definitely get, okay. So this is RBY, okay. So this is RBY they have mentioned, okay. So this is RBY. This is RBY, okay. So this may be RBY and RBY, okay. So this is same thing only. RBY, okay. This is BRY, otherwise RYB it is, okay. So RBY it is. This is also RBY, RBY. This is RYB, RYB, So this is RBY it is, okay, so RBY it is, okay. Like how many you check, okay, so there will be only two phase sequence, whether after R Y is coming or B is coming, only two phase sequence are possible, RYB, otherwise RBY, only these two phase sequence are possible, that's it. Understanding, right? After R, which sequence is coming, which one is coming, Y is coming, otherwise possibility is there for the B only, okay. So no need to check all these things directly, okay. Three phase system, how many phase sequence are possible? One is RYB phase sequence, another one is RBY phase sequence, okay. So this is RYB phase sequence, okay. After R, Y is coming. How is RBY? After R, what has to come? B has to come, okay. So this is nothing but RBY phase sequence, okay. So this is nothing but RYB phase sequence. Only two phase sequences are possible. There is no other phase sequences are there, okay. So answer for this question is 2, okay. No need to check all these things. Only for the explanation I am giving all this. In the exam directly answer anything, only two phase sequence are possible for the three phase system, that is one is RYB, another one is RBY, okay. These are all about the circuits 2021 questions, okay. So anyway, so we will see the another question paper also from 2021, okay. So anyway, prepare well for the power systems, measurements and all the other subjects also. We will be giving all these things, okay. So previous year questions are very important. Once you understand the previous year questions for 4 or 5 years at least, okay, so you will get all the model of questions. From that your marks will definitely improve, okay. So anyway, all the best, prepare well, okay. Thank you so much.